This is Kit 2565, the Occlusal Reduction Diamond Kit by Athos Comitas, DMD. It's a series of occlusal depth cutting burrs designed to allow for perfect reduction of the occlusal surface. One of the things that labs will tell you is that doctors either over or under reduce the occlusal surface. And now with new CAD/CAM technology, the proper occlusal reduction is critical for the ultimate crown preparation. So with this, we have a series of depth cutters from 1 millimeter up to 2.4 depending on the materials, and as well as the access that you're looking for. So we're going to start today with a 2.0. It is the number one selling diamond and depth reduction diamond of all of them. As you'll see, there's a diamond cutting surface with non-cutting bevels. This allows the doctor to be able to get inside the occlusal surface, go up the walls to get the proper depth. After using your occlusal reduction burr for the occlusal surface, you can take a round end chamfer or a modified shoulder diamond, and basically you're going to connect the dots. You're going to create that occlusal plane, now keeping the same inclines, but by connecting those dots you reduce the rest of the structure. Now you can take that same modified shoulder or chamfer diamond, make some depth cuts on your axial walls, and then use that to then connect those dots and reduce the entire axial wall around the tooth. You've reduced now the occlusal surface as well as the axial walls to the perfect depth as recommended by the material manufacturers.